will teach you too. Do not put your fingers in the electrical sockets. Do not play with wires or cables. Do not touch appliances when they are plugged in. Do not be in contact with water during electrical work. Do not touch wire or plug with wet hands or wet towels. Do not put any metal item into the toaster when it is on.